Manali is fairly well known as a honeymoon destination for couples. But there's another side of Manali that remains unexplored and has been drawing more and more travel junkies and adventure lovers to this hallowed tourist spot as well. This new way of experiencing Manali offers a different means of earning for tour operators.
Leh Ladakh comes in bucket list of each rider because of its toughest and roughest route, along with the highest motorable passes, along with the lakes, and whenever we go ride in the Himalayas, especially in Leh Ladakh, all the landscape is very different as compared to the other part of lower Himalaya, and all the way we are going to ride in the high altitude. Every day we are going to enter more than 4,000 meter height, 5,000 meter height from the sea level.
There are many ways to travel through the serene Spiti Valley, but if you want to add a touch of adventure to your trip, then a bike ride can give you that adrenaline rush. Many local biker groups like Brahmanth Tours offer packages that give one a breathtaking experience.
My name is Rajesh Thakur and I'm the founder of this Brahmanth Tour. I started this company in 2013.
The week-long Spiti Valley bike trip starts with a ride towards Banjar Valley, crossing small and scenic villages like Naggar, Kes and Bhuntar. Moving upwards, we reach Jibbi Valley. And then you wonder how heaven descended here. Drench yourself in the pure Himalayan waters. Day 2 starts with a rather exhilarating ride through Jalori, making way towards Sarahan. This place is also called Baspa Valley. The ride can take you through many emotions. You will be overwhelmed with the picturesque locations at times. Unexpected rainfall will give you the thrill of an adventure. Day 3 starts with a small visit to 300-year-old Bhimkali temple in Sarahan. Take the goddess's blessings and head to the Kalpa in Kinnauр district. You will be passing through legendary Hindustan-Tibet highway along the Satluj River. From the town, you will witness the spectacular view of sacred mountain Kinnar Kailash, popularly known as the second home for Lord Shiva. Every day brings endless excitement and you will be left wondering what is in store next. And day 4 starts on the same high as we head to Tabo. On the way, we get an opportunity to explore Ribha, Jangi and Poo villages. We promise you will hold your breath when you see the view of Spiti River meeting the Satluj. Day 5 starts with a quick visit to Tabo Monastery. And then we head towards Kaza. It is a rather short ride compared to other days. We make our way through the heavenly villages situated on the banks of the river. A little stop at Dhankar, an unexplored village, will give you a glimpse of local life in these terrains. On day 6, we head up to the world's highest post office in Hikkim village that is located at 14,270 feet above sea level. Send a letter from here to your loved ones. It will be special and memorable. After a brief break, a small ride of 14 kilometers will take you to Spiti's biggest monastery called Ki Monastery that resounds with peaceful spiritual vibrations. Connect with your spirit, body and mind here. By day 7, we guarantee you will be looking back on your experiences wistfully, but at the same time, you will be refreshed by the closeness to nature that ultimately helped you reconnect with yourself. Carrying a warm heart, you bid goodbye to Kaza and head towards the crescent-shaped Chandratal Lake, which is located at an altitude of 4,300 meters. This route will be a real challenge for riders. Even seasoned riders can find navigating this route an uphill task. Next morning will make you want to turn back time as we head to Manali, marking the end of our adventure through Spiti Valley. Crossing Batal, Chota Dhara, Chhatru will be a fun ride for bikers.
I'm walking to this toughest road. Don't think it is a waterfall. It is a road from Chandratal Lake to Rohtang Pass. We are biking in this way. I just want to make my captain, my rider, a little bit comfortable so that I've got down and I'm really enjoying a walk in this road.
En route Manali, we crossed the famous Rohtang Pass, which is about 51 kilometers beyond Manali on the eastern side of the Pir Panjal Himalayan range.